Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change video recording resolution on iOS 16. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Method 1. To begin, go to Settings. Swipe up to go down. And find Camera. Tap on it. Now go to Record Video. From here you can select 4K or other resolution, along with different frame per second. Go back. You can also change the slow motion video resolution. Method 2. Open the camera app. On the video recording screen, you can see the resolution setting on the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on HD to get 4K video resolution. And then tap on 30 to get 60 frame per second. Whenever you tap on these, the camera resolution will be changed. So these are all the things you need to know about changing video recording resolution on iOS 16. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.